Hello, everyone. This is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCAD. Okay. Well, before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we're going to have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Okay, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as traders and to help put some extra money in your pocket. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, before we break down what's happening on the chart, we're going to break down what's happening with these currencies, starting with the CAD. Okay. Now, the CAD is very tricky because it is one of those currencies that only not only is the strength and weakness contingent on how the state of its economy is doing, its strength and weakness is also contingent on the price of oil as well. Okay, so over these past several trading weeks, the CAD has been right there in the middle when it comes out the positive news and negative news. Just as much positive news that comes out about the CAD is the same amount of just as much negative news come out about the CAD. So it's almost neck and neck when it comes to the economic news and whether it's positive or negative. So what is the real determiner of whether it's going to be strong or weak is the price of oil. Okay. So we did get some oil news today around 4:30 Eastern time, just before the close of the New York session. And that oil news said that we had an extra 4 million barrels of oil. So we increased the circulation of oil in the world by 2 million. So they expected it to actually be 2 million. And it came out to 4.7, closer to 5 million. Okay. So this means that the Canadian dollar is classified as weak. Okay. Now with the USD, the USD over the several past trading weeks has been one of our stronger currencies, and it's one of our stronger currencies coming into this trading week. However, we did get some poor news about the US dollar come out at 10 o'clock Eastern time, 10 a.m. Eastern time, just after the opening of the New York session, and this poor news slowed down the trajectory of the strength that the USD was gaining. Okay, so let me make this clear. It does not mean that the USD is weak. It is just weak temporarily because of the slowing down of the traction of the strength it's been gaining. Okay. So I don't want you to think that the USD is overall weak. It is just weak for a very short to intermediate time. Then eventually, once we get some more news developed throughout the week and it comes out positive, because it looks like the American government is taking a very tough stance to get the currency back, the economy back together, which means the currency is going to get stronger. We're going to see a strengthening and a gaining of the traction of the USD strength. Okay. So with that being said, this is a prime recipe for retracement. Okay, it's almost like we're going to have retracement week. Okay, so how far can price drop? We can drop as far as here, here, or even here. Okay, what's really going to determine that is the rest of the oil news that comes out throughout the latter part of to the mid part of the latter part of this trading week. Okay, so for the short to intermediate, we're going to be seeing continuing a drop in price. We could go as far as here, here, and here before we go back into the long-term long position. Okay. So for the short to intermediate term, we're going to see some selling. How far can we trace? We can trace as far as here, here, or here before we continue to go up to the long position. Okay. Now, I hope that information was helpful for you guys. If you guys enjoy our market analysis, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also invite you to like and share our videos. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get notifications every time we drop trading content, so you can stay up to date on that. Also, liking and sharing the videos also helps pushes our content further out there into YouTube, so we can continue to grow our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to grow a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, last but not least, if you guys have any special requests or any charts or market analysis that you want, please let us know. It doesn't matter if it's stocks, oil, metal, other forex pairs, futures, crypto. Please let us know what you want broken down so we can best know how to accommodate and serve you. You can reach out to us one of three ways. One way is by commenting on the video that you watch. Also, you can reach out to us via email or through our various social media pages that we have links to the social media pages and our email in every description of every video. Okay, please reach out to us so we can know what you guys want so we can best serve you. Okay, with that being said, happy trading.